Hello everyone, this video is all about periodic reminders and the reporting. So it will automate reminders for the key employee events, Odoo apps, customize reporting for better insights in the Odoo apps. And it will design to enhance HR management by automating reminders and generating customizable reports that are tailored to the company needs. So let's see how this module will work. So first of all, right now we are not able to see list reminder icon over here. So we go into the setting. Under setting, we go into the users. We go into the mission, and here we will make sure we enable the periodic reminder and the reporting section, and we will save it. And now we go into the main page and we will refresh it once. And here you can see now we have list reminder app over here. We go into the list reminders and we go into the configuration settings. Under configuration settings, we have here list reminder tab. We go into this and we'll make sure we enable all the icons over here, which is list in mail body, attach in Excel table, provide links, attach PDF version, and we'll assign the email of CC. And after saving this, we go into the list reminder tab, and here we will create a new reminder list. We click on the new to create the new one, and here we will assign the name. Let's suppose I give name sales report. We'll assign the model over here as it's a sale report, so we are going with sale order. We assign the language. We assign any partner over here, and now we will add the field lines over here, whichever the line we want. So let's see for sales, and I'm going with order date. Then we will add here over last, and what interval we want is like 1 week, and the interval type is week. After doing this, we will enable this including current option over here, and we will save this. After saving this, we will go into the reminder view in this tab, and here we will add all the required fields which are mentioned over here. After filling all the terms, like I have already filled, which is message introduction, group by field, and sorting field, and direction, and email CC, which we have already given in the configuration settings. Then we will assign the column over here, and it will automatically fetch labels and everything. We will save it once, and then we will click on the notify button over here. Once it will be processed, here you can see it will generate one sales report over here with the date and everything, and which we can also see in email also. And here we get the sales report in Excel also. Now we go into the setting. Under setting, we have technical cron on, and in technical cron here we have email option, and under the email we have sale order date over here, which we have just created. And here you can see the sales report over here, the list of the reports. So this module is all about list reminders. If you have any doubt regarding this module, please let us know in the comment section and we will get back to you. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.